How to order foreign currency from Chase Bank. Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to tell you guys if it is possible for you to order foreign currencies from Chase Bank. So in order to check if your Chase Bank provides you foreign currencies or exchange them, you will first have to contact your local branch because some banks no longer hold large sums of cash, so it is important to double check if you can convert the currency or not. So you will have to check in with your local branch to see if they offer this service. Now the other thing that you can check is the tourist heavy places like airports. You can even talk to your teller over the phone and visit your local branch in person to get further advice and support. Now, some branches that are located near airports may offer the currency change, but unfortunately, Chase foreign currency accounts are not available for personal customers. So, Chase international banking services are only reserved for commercial banking customers. But what you can do is contact your local branch and make sure that your card is active. And if you're traveling anywhere, just make sure that your card is off use. And it is also way safer than carrying cash overseas. And it also may transfer platforms to give you the flexibility to move between different currencies as you travel. So the basic answer is that it is not possible for you to order foreign currencies from Chase Bank. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.